Alright, hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a request for quotation and purchase order and how to perform a good receipt. So first we will go to the menu bar and go to purchase. Now we will first check our inventory, so we will go to purchase, product variants. And here we see all the products that we have and how much we have in our inventory and on hand. So today we will be buying more desk organizers and more desk pads since we have 0 on hand. So now we will go back to purchase, request for quotation, create, and now our vendor today is going to be Wood Corner, today's day, and then we will add the desk organizer and the desk pad today. We will order 4 of each, and our unit price will be $20 for the desk organizer, and for the desk pad it'll be $10. So our total is going to be $120. So we will save, and now we are going to send the email so that it changes to RFQ sent. So send by email and send. Alright, so now we see that's RFQ sent. Now we are going to confirm the order. So we have a purchase order, and now we have a purchase order number created. Now we will go to purchase, product variant, so we see our inventory. Now since we still don't have the products on hand, it will still be 0. We will go back to purchase for quotation, and we see that this order is still pending, so we will click on it. Now we have to go back to the receipts and validate it. So now we will go to the menu, inventory, and here we see receipts. We have 4 to process, but for now we're going to process this one order. So this is our new one. Click on it, and now we are going to validate this receipt. Alright, so now we will go, now since it's done, we will go back to inventory, now we're going to check our inventory by going to the master data, then product variants, and here we are seeing the same one we saw before. So now we see that the desk organizer and the desk pad has 4 each, just like we just purchased. So now we will go back to the purchase module and click on the one we just did, and now we have to pay for our bill. So we are going to create bill, and then we have to make sure it's the right vendor, the right purchase order number, the materials, quantity, unit price, and it's all set. So now we are going to click save and validate, and now it will be an open bill. So now we are going to register payment. Now we have the right amount, bank, date, and memo. So now we will validate, and now the bill has been paid. Another way we could have paid for our bill for future references, we go to menu, invoicing, and here we see all our bills. So we would just press on one and do the exact same thing we did as before.